Open up the canvas, blank slate on my screen.
This video is a response to the comments on my older video. First, we will look at the lip sync for the music video, which failed as per the comment. Next will be the preferred project for long video generation inside Pinokio. At last, we will be setting up the A Step 1.5 XL model with and without ComfyUI. So the comment was about making a music video, and the character was standing still with all the motion and music happening. I tried using an audio file of a song instead of dialogue, and the character did stay still due to a certain type of prompt. I tried multiple attempts, you can see below, and now it works.
Open up the canvas, blank slate on my screen. Try to check motor, you know what I mean. Case jumper in the middle, V on the right. Clip text and code, yeah, I'm building tonight.
Let's check the bad results. The prompt here was simple, a woman singing a song, and the result generated was acceptable. The lip sync was happening, but there is no camera movement. Let's check another video. Now I prompted for the camera motion, and the music is running in the background, but no lip sync is happening. The prompt here was, the confident woman starts walking forward while singing a song. The camera tracks her motion from the front, and the prompt continues. I tried multiple images, like a close shot of the character, and when the character is at a distance. But the lip sync was not working when I asked for the camera motion with it. Here I wrote, the young woman is singing a song, and then starts walking. The camera motion was present from the beginning, so I think the lip sync failed. The model was not able to get that. I asked for singing, which should have started the lip sync, and then walking. I tried again, and in this example, my prompt was later she started walking forward, and then it worked. Keep the prompt simple if you want movement and lip sync at the same time. The prompt should be in such a way that it lets the lip sync begin first, and then the movement starts. Similarly, it works with ComfyUI as well. This was a 5-second test. I will make it 20 seconds. And run the workflow. 344 seconds for a 20-second clip, and the result generated looks fine. If you're making a music video, then you have to make multiple short clips of around 20 to 30 seconds using different parts of the song, and apply some filters between all the clips to make a complete music video. The words spoken here are inappropriate, but that is how it's done. The next comment was about which Wan2GP we should download for LTX long video generation. The setup remains the same with a small change. I have downloaded the Pinokio executable. Double-click to begin the installation. And then it creates a folder in the same folder. And then it starts with a welcome screen. Go to the Explore button, and this is where the changes are made. There are multiple options here. Search for Wan2GP. Out of these many options, I can suggest downloading any one of these three. Note that the third option is by Pinokio Factory, which has a good record. And the second is by Cocktail Peanut, updated 9 days ago, and it's reliable. The one I was using at the beginning of the video was this. The author's name is Morpheus. Click to open, and then click Install. And then I went ahead with the recommended option and clicked Install. Here, it shows the requirement. Click Install to set up all the requirements. This step will take time. Out of all, one is still pending. The rest have been installed. I tried again, and then it was installed. Here it says disconnected, and the button here did not work for some reason. So go to the home screen and open the project. Click the Start button, and then it will run. Select the LTX 2 from the drop-down. And then in the second drop-down, this is LTX 2, and below is the LTX 2.3. These are the models you get to choose when you select LTX 2.3. This is the text-to-video generation setup. And this is the text plus image-to-video setup. I added the image using the Add Image button, and next is the Remove button to remove the image. Then I selected the option to generate a video based on the sound and prompt given. And this is the music uploaded, followed by the prompt. Click Generate to cue the video process, and the video resolution is selected here. On the first run, models and files will be downloaded. There will be a lot of files. Now let's look at using the Step 1.5 XL with ComfyUI and without ComfyUI. Make sure you update your ComfyUI using the update batch file for the stable or nightly version. Run ComfyUI, and then in the template section, select a step to filter the workflows. And I am using this turbo workflow. These 3 workflows are for the XL model. The base model will give you a better result if you're looking for the best. The music you heard at the beginning of the video was generated from this workflow. Links to the model and other files are given on the right side of the workflow. Download and save them inside the folders shown here. I am using Google's Gemini or GPT to generate the music lyrics. In my previous video, I shared a file in the drive link. These are the 2 files for the music prompt. Download this file and open it. Do not translate this page. I have used these prompts, and when I need something custom, I just give a few prompts as a template to GPT or Gemini, and then ask for the customized music prompt. There are so many music prompts in different languages, and it works for me when making shorts. I do not use anything other than this.
夜晚的风轻轻吹过。
Now let's look at the same text to music without ComfyUI. There is a Windows portable package present on the GitHub page of the project. I will share the link in the description. Download the file and place it inside the folder where you want to make this setup. Here, it says the project requires CUDA 12.8. To check that, you need to run this command. The version of CUDA on my computer is 12.4, and I cannot update it due to my personal project. So I will continue the setup and see if it works. Extract the downloaded file. I will use WinRAR, and I will create a folder named ace-windows. After it is done, it says that to launch Gradio, we need to run this file. So I ran the batch file, and then it started to download multiple files, which look like the model weights. The download has been completed, and it says running on the local URL. Press Ctrl and click the link to open it in the browser. I will try to run the music generation process and see if the CUDA version gives a problem. There are multiple options here. Let me know if a dedicated video is needed on this interface. The result has been generated, which means the CUDA version did not give a problem. So that is it in this video. I will try to respond to as many questions as I can answer. I wish you an excellent day.